Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that you're doing well. In today's video, I have a very exciting package to open from Beads Candy Shop. It also includes some beads from the new Night Ocean collection that Beads Candy Shop / Elf Beads gifted to me to review and style with for all of you guys. So a huge thank you to Beads Candy Shop and Elf Beads for gifting me these beads, and a huge thank you to this community, as I wouldn't have these opportunities without each and every one of you. So here are some beads from the Night Ocean collection, as well as a couple other elf beads that were released in previous collections. I'm so excited to take a look at these beads in depth with you, of the different details on them. The Night Ocean collection is magical. It is so fun, and I'm very excited to play around with these beads. So I'll also be sharing a design that I came up with incorporating these different elf beads. Now for the other beads in my Beads Candy Shop package, I ordered one elf bead for myself, which is by Myra, and I'm very excited to design with it. And then, of course, I have a very special package that I saw when Beads Candy Shop announced it. It was from Black Raven Beads. And can you see the tea theme? Stay tuned for that video. It'll be coming out next. Now, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea or your choice of beverage. I am enjoying my favorite for the autumn Halloween season, pumpkin pie matcha from DAVIDsTEA. It is so delicious, and how cute is this spooky mug? If you want to know more information about this tea or this DAVIDsTEA mug, I'll have some information down below, but I also did a fun YouTube video I think about a week ago. If you want to check that out, I'll leave a link above the screen. Anyway, you guys, virtual cheers, and let's get started with today's video. Here are the first 3 elf beads that I'm going to be sharing with you. So from left to right, we have Summer Hot Sunset Turtles, Night Ocean Jellyfishes, and Deep Ocean Octopuses. And like, oh my gosh, how amazing are these, you guys? Like, the turtles are so sweet. I love the details on their shell, very mystical and elegant. The octopuses and like the jellyfishes are so cute. Like, look at the little jellyfish eyes and then eyes on the little turtles. The detail and the side views of these glass beads are so beautiful and fun. I think children would love these, but if you're an adult like me, I equally love them. I guess I'm a child at heart, but they're just so cute and so fun. Now up next is probably my favorite bead from this release. It is just fantastical. Like, it is amazing. It is called Ocean Firework Starfish. You can see in the inside the core of this glass bead, it just has these yellows and greens, and like, it really does look like a firework. Like, it's so cool. And then on the outside, on top, they have that starfish detailing going all the way around, and the detail on it is amazing. Like, it definitely has like this mystical firework kind of vibe to it, and you almost can picture like fireworks on the ocean, which makes me think about where I live. In the summertime, we often have firework competitions, and yeah, this one is just so cool. Like, I really want to get a second one because it is fantastical. It is amazing. Like, I love it. Next is Sapphire Flowerfield and Red Velvet Flowerfield. I love the details on these. The flowers are so pretty, and the little white dots or bubbles up at the top are so cool to touch. Like, they're so neat. And these are such great autumn colors with the blue, and then the red color. It is kind of red velvety, but it almost has like that little bit of hint of orange too, which I love. It's so perfect for autumn, and I'm excited to style with these. The side details are really beautiful too. Now up next, another bead from the new collection is called Firework, and it is so neat, you guys. Like, the detail going around it, it's so cool. Like, the orangey notes to it, and then in different lighting, the core kind of takes on the lighting around it, but you can kind of see it has kind of like almost like this purplish tone to it, which is really cool. And this is what Elf Beads has to say. The Firework storm is a rare and frightening event in the night ocean. It can only be spotted once a year on Halloween night and associated with the dragon, which I love the story, like the backstory that's behind their beads. Now up next to the left, we have Galaxy Flower Pond, which is a new bead from this launch. And again, it has that kind of fireworky, mystical detail to it. And then Elf Beads also sent me 2 pond flower beads, which have that lighter blue, but still kind of this mystical, beautiful detail to it. And all of them look like they're floating on water. So what I love about the new one, Galaxy Flower Pond, is like, it looks like it's a flower floating somewhere during a fireworks show. Like, it's so neat. And then the other ones have that very kind of almost poetic kind of feel to them, like just floating on like a spring day or approaching spring. Like, they're so, so pretty. Now, up next is Empire Crab, and he is amazing. I've never seen him before. He is hilarious and so fun. He kind of looks like a pirate too, but he's called Emperor, and like, look at all the fun details on him. Like, when I pulled him out, he just brought a big smile to my face. Like, he looks pretty happy. You can just kind of picture him in motion. Like, the details on him are so cute. And now, you guys, I'm going to share with you my bracelet design that I incorporated using majority of the beads that I've just shown. And I also added some beads from the Elf Beads Jungle collection as well as the Elf Beads Ocean collection. I do have review videos on both of those collections. If you'd like to find them, I'll leave links up above the screen right now on where you can watch them. As for the design, I actually really love how it turned out. I don't think I ever would have thought to do like oranges and reds and blues together. And I love how Elf Beads just thinks outside the box to do like an ocean theme during the autumn time. Like, it's brilliant. I live by the ocean, so for me, it just takes on this whole other meaning for me that is very special. And I loved having the opportunity to wear these and like try it out on my wrist. Like, it really pops out and it's a really fun pop of color. I chose to stack it with my Elf Beads Petite bangle using beads from their new Galaxy collection. Can you spot the little dragon? He is adorable and so cute. I definitely need to share this bracelet up close with you guys. I love the design, and I think it'll pair really nicely with my When You Wish Upon a Star Pandora bracelet. Anyway, you guys, that is it for today's video. Stay tuned for my video of my new Black Raven beads. I'll be posting that soon. I would love to know what you guys think of the new collection. Please let me know down below. I'll also have links in the names of the different beads shown in the description bar of this video if you'd like to check those out. Some of those links may be affiliate links, which means I do earn a small percentage of the sale if you decide to purchase one of the items. A huge thank you in advance if you do use those links. It really does help me out a lot. Anyway, you guys, I'm wishing you a wonderful rest of your day, a great week ahead, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye for now, and take care.